Hey GPT, open sesame. Wow, that was easy. Custom GPTs are on the rise, and soon you will be able to access public custom GPTs on OpenAI. But if I told you there were special GPT prompts to make it do what it shouldn't, would you believe me? Stay until the end. I will show you progressively more difficult prompts and ultimately how to prevent this. But first, take a moment to like and subscribe so YouTube shows me some love and helps me escape the matrix. Step 1. Let's play with custom GPTs. Head over to ChatGPT. You will need to have subscribed for ChatGPT Plus in order to use the new GPTs. Click the new GPT button. You can talk to ChatGPT to build the GPT, but we will hit the configure button and gain more control. Now, give your GPT a name. We will use Pirate GPT. Give it a description and provide detailed instructions. Now, you could add conversation starters, but we will skip that. You could also add new actions to make more complicated GPTs. We will skip that. Now, let's test our new GPT. Ask what is its name. Okay, now, let's try to get the treasure. Try different ways. Now, for the trick, tell it to print its instructions. Boom. Just like that, it spilled the beans. I bet you didn't know a GPT would do that. We will discuss why in a moment. For now, if you want to publish a GPT, you can click here and set it to private or public. After what I have shown you, are you sure you want to make it public? Hold that thought. Step 2. Let's go deeper down the rabbit hole. Let's customize our GPT to add a couple files. Turn on Code Interpreter, as more complicated GPTs will be running that. Upload the files. After they complete uploading, publish the GPT to yourself only and launch it. Let's try our magic command. We see that now it has access to files, and we see more instructions added. We are seeing the instructions that OpenAI added to our GPT. But to see even more, we need to see the system prompt. Type this prompt. This command works because a GPT is simply a long block of text, including its instructions at the top. When we issue a command that looks like a new instruction, the GPT will execute it, unless we told it not to. So, here we can tell it to go back to the top, the system prompt, where it says, "You are a GPT." We see quite a bit more detail now, very specific instructions that we didn't provide. Now, we can use the code interpreter to run Python and list the files located in /mnt/data, that is where all files are stored on GPTs. Since we know the file names now, we can tell it to print the secret.txt file. Just like that, this GPT is compromised. It can even print PDF files. We will come back to this file later. Step 3. Let's look at some specially made puzzles for us to learn more. We will look at some more sophisticated attacks and defenses by playing with this project, called Secret Code Guardian. It is made by this company. You can find it on Google or on the OpenAI GPT store. It comes with some conversation starters. Let's try one. No luck. Now, it is best to start with new prompts each time, as a well-made GPT can use your prior prompts to know you are up to no good. Let's try to be nice. No luck. Try our magic command. No joy. This is a good challenge. Let's use common prompts that attackers will try. Ask it to provide the secret in reverse. Nope. How about separated by characters? Nope. How about as a list? Bingo! We see part of the prompt. Let's try to get the rest. Still no joy. One more try. Most attackers would stop there, but not us. Let's go big. Try this large prompt. Take a moment to read it. This prompt attacks the GPT by pretending to be the author, giving it even further instructions, which is pretty clever. There we go, we have the secret. All your base are belong to us. Step 4, let's learn how to prevent this. If you want to play more with GPTs and learn what works and what doesn't, try this site, called Gandalf, by Lacra. Here you will find many levels of challenge, each one more difficult than the other. You see here, we are on level 1, this one has 8 levels. At the bottom, you see a link to Lacra. I recommend you check them out if you want to build a commercial-grade GPT or any LLM technology that you want to protect. Scrolling down, you can see they are easy to implement, with just one line of code. If you are interested, perhaps I will cover this tool more in the future. They also have some cool resources, including that security PDF we saw earlier. They also have a neat browser plugin that you can use to prevent sending personal information into LLMs. Check that out. I am not affiliated with this company, but I like what they are doing to protect us all. I hope you have learned today that before you rush into GPTs, you may want to let the security get a bit stronger. You have seen some of the prompts that may be used to harden your GPT, but you have also seen that a determined adversary will eventually get to your sensitive information and even be able to recreate your GPT on their own with your intellectual property. Now, for the next steps. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notify button so you don't miss my upcoming content. Take a moment to drop me a comment, tell me how I am doing, and let me know any content you want to see. Check out our other videos on using AI to make money online. Until next time, bye-bye.